Tallest tower. Okay. Great. Yeah, there you go. All right, it's the automatic peanut feeding machine, dispensing machine. Okay.
Okay, wait. There.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
And you have a person in your machine?
Which will get fed.
Yeah, and having a person in your machine gives you points.
Oh, it gives you points.
Gives you points, yeah. The person can't be operating the machine, but can be fed by the machine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh man, and Joseph's machine, that's the most funny part.
Okay.
Also, we need to turn off the switch almost immediately, like when it's going, like after, so that not too many peanuts fall out.
Okay.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Oh no. That's okay. Actually, of all things, take two.
Take two.
Oh no.
Oh, it missed. All right, let's see it.
Okay. Full time's confirmed.
Yay! Unscrew, and there are the peanuts. You got 2 peanuts. Okay, only grown-ups, probably only me, will be using the saw in class because there's too much potential for damage. What we have done is we have taken the miter box and screwed it down to this board and screwed it down to this board also. So it's sort of like a setup. And now I've been sawing off some donated wood. We have some irregularities, so I'm just gonna cut off the irregular parts, and then we'll have the rest remaining. So I'm gonna take the saw and then basically put it down here using the guide in the miter box, and then just drag it towards me. That's the easier direction, and then keep going. And that's it. Again, you might not be able to see it, but that's it. There it is, mid-saw, and that's it. Okay, so this is the +1 version from the prototype, and here it goes. Oops.